How to move files and folders from C drive to D drive. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can move files and folders from C drive to D drive. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, navigate to your drives. For that, open up this PC in your device. Now you can access to your C drive and your D drive. Now, in order to move files from C drive to D drive, open up your C drive in your device, and here you have to select the file or folder that you want to move to C drive. For example, I have this text file right here. Then you have to right click on it. After that, here you will have two options, whether you want to cut and move it to D drive, or simply you want to copy this file or keep the copy here and then copy another file onto the C drive. If you want to copy it, click on copy. After that, you have to navigate to your D drive, and here you have to select any folders where you want to copy the file, or you can simply select the D drive and copy the folder here or the file here. So here, right click on the empty space and then click on paste. After you do that, the file will be copied here. So in that way, you can move your files and folders from C drive to D drive. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.